Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the MyMonii application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option. Then click on this first option in the account section. First of all, you can change your profile picture by tapping on this plus icon in the middle of the screen. You can either take a picture or choose a picture from your library. If you tap on the account information section, you can add your first name, then your surname, and your birthday can be selected too. After that, you should tap on confirm, click on save. And as you can see, your account has been updated. So if you go back to the previous page, you can also set your family role, such as daughter or son. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.